Hello YouTube, I am back with another video. Again, you see the hands, that means you know what's coming up. It's gonna be an unboxing, and it's another art book. This art book, I don't know what it is yet, actually, to be fair. I got it in the mail, and it would be hilarious if this is not an art book, because at this point I'd have to stop the video and just delete this footage. But if I think this art book is what I think it is going to be something I help support on a Kickstarter. Yes, I think if you guys know who drew this mini dog thing at the corner, it is well, there it is. Yeah, it's the art of Sam Young, or Yang, or I apologize if I said that wrong. Yeah, this is the artist for the artist that you guys know as SamDoesArt. And this is an art book I backed up on Kickstarter. Usually I'd like to briefly go at Kickstarter to see if any of my favorite artists are doing an art book, and if I could afford it, I pay for it then. So whenever it does go through production, it will come straight to me as soon as it's fully backed up, or it comes through. It comes with goodies. It comes with these post-it notes, which is it's cute. It has this dog thing, if it will focus right here. Now let me also put this to the side. Also, as you guys know, for my paid members on Patreon, they will get the full flip through, while the YouTube video will be just heavily edited down. So the video you guys see on YouTube will just be like bits and pieces here and there. Again, paid members on Patreon, they will get to see each and every page. So yeah, let's go. Alright, let me get this in frame. The art of Sam Yang. 3D Total Publishing. I've gotten like 10 art books by them at this point. Contents. Dedicated to my mom and dad. I'm not going to read everything that's in this art book. I'm just gonna, quickly flip through it while, talking about stuff, things that, my journey looking at this artist. I do remember seeing his art all over Pinterest. If there was an artist whose art style was very popular and AI loved to mimic and copy, it was this guy's artwork. And of course, if you didn't know, he has a YouTube channel. Go support his YouTube channel if you want. Follow him, give him a subscription, subscribe to him. And if you want, he also has a Patreon, so go do that. Ooh, you see him when he's young, and his initial drawings when he was a kid. If there's one thing that you can learn from SamDoesArt, is that he is really good with photo studies and incorporating his own artistic style into the photos that he references from. It's never going to be a one-to-one exact photo. It's going to be mainly a tool to sort of bring out his own flair and art style from the photo. It's not he's trying to do an exact carbon copy, because I think that's personally just very boring. His art style is not exactly anime. It has a certain Disney, I guess, flair to it. I love this value study, pretty good. But it's a nice mix of Disney and anime that it's not really polarizing to either group. People that like the anime art style is definitely gonna like his style. And the people that don't like anime and its art style will still probably really like his art style. It's also very unique. If you see this type of art, people are gonna think of this guy. And if they see AI art that looks like this, they're still gonna think of him. It just sucks that AI could just take these images and put in a generator and create work that looks like his. But if there's one thing that AI can take, is that if someone or a robot draws like this, it's just gonna be a robot that draws like SamDoesArt. It's not gonna be. Yeah, the AI is not going to have its own identity when it comes to art. Love the red, the warm lighting. And again, this is how you use framing. If you want to frame the character, you usually put a light sort of background. I also like the light and dark. And if you're going to put dark here, just have this rim lighting here, so it doesn't get lost, right? Excellent use of value right here. The little details here are pretty nice too. The art community. Do I have a lot to say about the art community? These are like his thumbnails. Part of my job also involves creating videos for YouTube and Patron. I use these video platforms to create content that will entertain and educate, but really, I just want to reach more people and hopefully inspire others to take up art as a hobby or a career. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to, do what he does. Making, YouTube videos, art videos, reaching people. Hopefully it's informative or enjoyable to people watching. Hopefully this video is informative for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I can honestly see a 3D Disney animated movie using his art style. I can honestly see it happening. His art is it's that good. Some more illustrations. I love these illustrations, like this full background with the sky and clouds. I love that. Again, water, very hard to do. How to get the form down very loosely and to get the idea that it's like refracting in the light. This is so good. I need to probably do my own art studies. Like, look at this. Like this, she's underwater, and you have to get that through with like the surface of the water here. And again, if you zoom in, like it's just a bunch of like squiggly lines. But when zoomed out, it all comes together. It's which is like essentially what painting is, honestly. Again, 3D Total Publishing. Every time there's like an art book by one of my favorite creators, more than likely it's them that's gonna publish the book. Again, another art book that I am glad to have backed up when it was coming out. This took a while for it to come, however. I know there was like lots of issues when it came to shipping and delivering, but I'm glad it's here. I've backed up artists like Goo Eyes, Milk for My Coconut. I got a Terry Dotson art book, all from Kickstarter. I do think this will be open to like public, consumption. Like, I don't think like you'll be absolutely like screwed if you didn't get it from Kickstarter. However, if that's the case, I'm so sorry. Just keep an eye out for your favorite artists if they're gonna do an art book. And I'm glad I got this one. Again, check out his work. He has a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure there's no one in the art community that doesn't know who this guy is, unless you've been living under a rock. But if you guys didn't know, he's a YouTuber. Again, subscribe to him, follow him on the socials. So if you want to, you can support his Patreon. Or if you got this art book, well, I'm glad you are like me and went ahead and got this art book. Again, thank you so much for watching. My Patreon members will have seen the full art book flip through. And when this goes to YouTube, it'll just be heavily edited down. But again, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you like this video. If you want to see more like videos like this, comment. Tell me if you like this video so I could, do more videos like this. More art videos are coming out soon too. The artist analysis that I'm working on, I'm still working on it. It will come out hopefully before this year ends. Ideally before this year ends. And if you want, support me on my socials. I have Instagram. I have a Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. I have a Twitch. I also have a Patreon if you want to support it. You don't have to. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but that would be really nice if you support me. Even as a free member, I like it when numbers go up generally. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.